Hello my friends and welcome to today's practice. Today I have a restorative full body Qigong class. We're not going to stretch and pull, we're going to flow and fly. If you're ready, come join me and let's begin. If you've been enjoying practicing Qigong on my YouTube channel and got value from the videos, I would like to invite you to join my membership site. This platform goes beyond what you see on YouTube. Imagine to be able to reduce stress, increase your energy, and improve your sleep, not only from the practices, but also from the wisdom shared within the community. I invite you to join me and take a next step on your Qigong journey. You'll be rewarded with a wealth of resources, live group classes, supportive community, and as a result, a less stressful, a more happier and healthier life. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to welcoming you on Qigong with Kseny membership site. We begin in a standing position. Take a moment here to adjust your posture, improving the structure, relaxing, opening through the joints, opening through the spine, the back of the neck, reaching tall through the crown of the head. At the same time, grounding and sinking into your feet, establishing a strong foundation, strong roots. And let's take a couple of deep opening breaths. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale softly, allowing yourself to soften, bringing awareness to the body. Exhale. And again, opening up. Exhale. Let your hands relax by the side. We're going to start with hip rotations. Everything that we're doing today will be flowy, fluid, water-like movements. Remember the direction that you go in, because we're going to move down all the way to the feet and then come back up in the opposite direction. Nice, controlled, round movement, awakening the muscles on the hips. Very good. One more. Slow it down. And then same direction, circle the knees. Very good. And again, up. And then same direction, roll and massage the soles of your feet. Coming up on the balls of your feet, coming down. Very good. And then change direction, starting from the feet. We're going to work our way up. Once more. Good. And then circling the knees. Making sure that your knees are facing in the same direction as your feet. Good stuff. And once more. Standing up, finish with a hip rotation. Very good. A few more. Just enjoy that fluidity. Enjoy the water-like movement. Very good. Coming back. Unlocking the knees, moving into the spinal wave. No rush. Not too much effort either. Just enjoying ourselves. Feeling, warming up the muscles of the back. Creating movement. Fluidity. Sending that fluidity through your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Very good. Slowing down. From here, arms come up, the wrists are leading the movements, and then sinking down, the wrists are first, fingers to follow. And again, wrist up, soft joints, relaxed body. And again. Once more, coming up, coming down. And then begin circling your arms as we're shifting the weight. Creating this circular motion in front of us. Very good. Return to center, change direction. Just allow yourself to enjoy that fluidity. Feeling your whole body is collaborating, is moving together as one. Legs and arms connected through the torso. Very good. Once more. Relax. From here, adjusting your stance if you need to. We're going to do a round of abdominal breathing to build some energy between the hands and inside of the belly. Breathing in through the nose, we want to expand the abdomen. And then on the exhale, drawing your navel in, expelling all air out from the lungs. Inhale as you open up. Exhale, relax. I like to keep my hips and my knees nicely soft. Allows me to feel that pulsation through the lower body as well. But my focus is on the abdomen. Keep it slow, keep it smooth, keep it consistent. Enjoying the sound of your own breath, even for a few minutes. It can make a tremendous difference to your day, to your mood, to your well-being. Inhaling, exhaling. Very good. And one more time. Exhale. And then keep the sensations present. We're going to bring the feet together and follow with the exercise called day and night. Sinking down into your foundation, into your roots. Hands are facing your abdomen. And then turning to one side as we lift Nice and slow, positioning our hands just above the third eye. Your eyes follow the movement, and then sinking down again. Drawing that strength and power from your legs, strengthening your knees. We go up. Focus your attention on the sensations between your palms. How rooted, how centered you feel, that awareness of your body. Very good. Down. Up. Down. Up. And last one. Down. Good. Stand up here. Lift your hands up. Lift your hands down. Lift your hands up. Lift your hands down. And again, up. Turn to the other side, sinking down. Opening up. Making sure that you're using the strength of your legs without putting too much effort on the lower back. Continue circling around. This exercise is very good for strengthening the knee joints, for working your core, working your shoulders. Going up, going down. Last one here. Exhale. Very good. Standing up. Inhale into your belly. Exhale, gently pull it in. Feeling very connected, very centered. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. I think someone arrived at the door. Inhale. But we stay in focus. It's a good opportunity. Very good. And again. Exhale. As you draw your hands to close, relax your entire body. And feel the chi circulating internally. It's giving you that subtle warmth, a sense of presence, awareness, comfort inside of your body. Relax your legs and your knees. Step out to shoulder distance. Take one more deep breath in. And exhale fully to relax. Very good. Well, thank you very much for joining me. You can take your time to really feel that chi. You can move into meditation. It's a very nice evening routine to unwind, to distress. And if you have more time to dedicate to your practice, I invite you to join me for a longer version of this routine on my membership site. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description below this video. Until next time, I wish you great health and keep on practicing.